Howdy, this is Derrick Henry, and if you sort data in Excel as much as I do, then you know it can kind of be a little bit of a pain. There's a lot of buttons to click, there's a lot of thinking you have to go through to get the sort just right. Well, it's a valuable thing, so we do it anyway, but what if you could reuse that thinking and make it super quick and easy? That's what we're going to talk about in this video, where we touch on a macro called sort picker. So, what this does, when you run it, it's going to show a pick list of different sort options. Now the first one is the one I use the most, called quick sort. Notice that's option Q up here. So when we run this, it gives you the ability to just type a couple of letters. Notice how we've got what column letter it is, underscore, then A or Z to go ascending or descending. Okay, you can have as many as you want and as many levels as you want separated by columns. So to give you an example, if we were to run this for, say, number 2 here, you can set whatever your favorite is. You can save these and use them over and over again. So if we run number 2, it's going to sort E, then B, then D. Instantly it does that. You don't have to go up to the menu, you don't have to click all the buttons, it just does it for you. So you can save 5 of those and do it very easily. Now another way to look at this is sorting horizontally. A lot of people don't know you can do that. If you have a bunch of stores or locations or departments listed side by side, this helps you do it very quickly. So that's going to be option H. It prompts you to say, is it ascending or descending? In this case, we're going to do it descending, and it sorts all of that data set horizontally. Very helpful when you're comparing things. Another way to leverage this is to sort several different ranges in bulk. This could be 100, even 1,000 ranges in a workbook. And you might be thinking, why would I do that? Well, if you have a template like this one and you want to make sure that you're sorting several different ranges, like the top and the bottom here, and maybe you want to do that on several different sheets, this is a great way to do it. So what this is going to do is have you define the range name, what sheet is it in, how are we going to sort, what column, which direction. You can do up to 3 of those different options. So we're going to run option W here. Actually, it's option B for bulk sort. And it applies all those sorts in one step. The best thing is you can reuse these settings. So you can save that in a file, or you can reuse them if you're doing the same thing in many different similar files. You could use that. The last thing that we're going to go through today is sorting your worksheets with option W here. This literally is going to sort them ascending or descending. And if it's helpful to have a bunch of location numbers or departments, or really just alphabetical, make your sheets alphabetical, that's an option that you can use to help you do that very quickly. So we walked through a couple of different things here. The idea is to sort much quicker in Excel and reuse that thinking so that you don't have to spend near as much time clicking things around and making mistakes. That is all for this one. If you like this, please give a thumbs up, leave a comment. You want more information, just let me know. Please try it out for yourself as well. Share with anybody you know. Thanks, and have an excellent rest of your day.